Interesting. Shaft cage. It's in the cage. Yeah, it's raining. Like 48 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. Got my Beechcraft tweaker cabin. People keep screwing up my fire pit. Look at that. Oh well. Well, this probably isn't going to be easy. Salty wet wood. Yes, I got brought a tea light. Not too windy. And of course my concealed carry, because Alaska is a constitutional carry state. Not lucky enough. Is this gonna keep going? I don't know. Oh, it's still trying. Right. Cooking with gas. Cheers. Our toilet paper needs a signature for delivery. Amazon said certain priority items during the COVID pandemic need a signature for delivery. That's what the rep said. Yeah. Cancel that shit. Go buy it somewhere else.